Like this, my background is not real, including this one and this one. They are all fake backgrounds. Okay, so like sometimes you might be in a situation or in a place where you need to record, but the background is not encouraging, is not beautiful enough, but you decided to record your videos anyway because you really need to do that. The importance of beautiful backgrounds and beautiful pictures and beautiful thumbnails cannot be overemphasized. If you are a YouTuber and you don't use a beautiful background and beautiful thumbnails yet, then you are still playing, because it's only when your pictures are beautiful that's when YouTube prioritizes your videos and pushes it out to many audience and viewers. So today I'm going to take you on a step-by-step tutorial of how to change backgrounds in videos. This time around is in the videos. The previous one I posted, the last video I posted was about pictures, changing background pictures. But this particular one is about changing backgrounds in your videos. Like sometimes you might be in a situation or in a place where you need to record, but the background is not encouraging, is not beautiful enough, but you decided to record your videos anyway because you decided to record your videos anyway because you really need to do that. So what do you do afterwards? When you are done recording, you change the background to any picture and any kind of background that you want, anything at the background that you want, you can always change it. Like this, my background is not real, including this one and this one. They are all fake backgrounds. Okay, so in case you are interested in learning how to do something like this, then stay tuned, come with me as I take you on a step-to-step tutorial of how to do things like this. Let's dive in. So the first thing you do is you choose the video that you want to change their background. So when you choose it like this, you now click on cut out, then you click cut out again, and then you wait for it to finish cutting. Do not leave this place while it's cutting. Then the duration it takes depends on how long your video is and how short it is. If it is longer, then it's going to take you much time to cut, but if it is shorter, it is going to take you a shorter time to cut. So you stay put and wait until this particular place finish reading to 100%. Okay, so now is completed. It has reached 100%. When it's up to 100%, then you click on this place marked good. Okay, then the next thing we are going to do right now is to choose our own background, the background that we want to add. So you click on this background here. If you want to use colors, you can choose any of these. As you can see, you can choose any of these ones, but if you want to choose picture, sorry, then you enter your gallery through here, and then you choose the picture that you want. Okay, so these are my pictures.
You can download your pictures from Pinterest or from internet anywhere
Let's
at all.
choose this. Then you can make it dim or bright by choosing any of these ones, any of these things. Just make it dim or bright. So I can decide to choose this, then click on this place marked yes. Then we resize it to any position that we want, like this,
and then look at it. As you can see, you would never know that this thing was edited. It looks as if I'm just this place, the particular place recording this. So this is how to do it. It is very, very easy to do. When you are done editing, you export your video and then upload wherever you want.
So that is it about that one. I hope you learned how to change your video backgrounds. Like I said earlier, you can be wherever you are and record your videos. It doesn't matter. Okay, you can always change your backgrounds later to anything you want at all, any picture you want, any background that you want, you can always change it. It is very, very easy, as you can see. So if you got value from this my video, like, share and comment, and also hit the subscribe button if you have not subscribed, and the bell button so you always get notified whenever I post a new video. See you next time.